Stock adjustments. Tally provides some novel and unique features for adjustment of stock in some special situations under Stock Behavior section, available under Advanced Inventory Masters configuration options. On setting advanced entries in masters in inventory voucher configuration during entry alteration of stock item at the right part of the stock item screen under behavior section, you may set up internal stock adjustment methods which affect in stock internally without any voucher entry. Physical stock discrepancy. At Ignore difference due to physical counting, set up the options to reflect the effect of physical stock voucher for adjustment of physical and book stock difference in reporting of stock figures as described next. Purchased item consumption. Treat all purchases as consumed. Set the option for consumption of purchased item as described next. Sales item production. Treat all sales at new manufacturer. Set the option for treatment of sold items as described next. Returned items. Treat all rejection inwards as scrap. Set the option of treatment of sold items returned by the customers. All the options make very special treatments. You should check the effect of these behavior options in your context before changing the defaults. Negative stock balances. At Ignore negative stock balances, set the option of the effect of negative stock balances due to omission, mistake of stock accounting or non-adjustment of balances. Stock difference. Ideally, the book stock as per stock item ledgers and stock statement should match with the physical stock lying in stores. However, due to some reasons, the physical stock may not exactly tally with the book stock found on measurement and counting. The difference in stock is then back adjusted through physical stock voucher, an unusual method devised by Tally to adjust the difference between book stock and physical stock found on physical stock taking process. Ignore difference due to physical counting. Set yes to consider the book stock in the stock reports, ignoring physical stock voucher. Set no to consider the physical stock in the stock reports as per physical stock voucher. This option is relevant only when physical stock voucher is used to adjust physical stock difference instead of normal method of stock journal voucher. Negative stock. Ideally, there should never be negative book stock as no one can give more than what is available in stock. Negative book stock balances often result from missing entry of some voucher, mistake in quantity or entry of wrong stock item. Negative book stock is reported at Gateway of Tally display exception report negative stock. At stock item master entry alteration under behavior section, set yes at ignore negative stock balances. The negative stock will not be considered in negative stock report, else set no to show negative stock in negative stock report. However, negative stock, if occurring, will always be reported as usual in stock summary and its underlying stock statements. So this option only controls whether the negative stock would be revealed in negative stock report. However, it does not affect anything in any of the inventory report. Treatment of purchases. Often small items are bought as and when required for immediate use and no issue voucher is created for its use. For example, maintenance item of stationery, etc. Or in case of highly perishable goods like milk, etc., where the stock is completely sold on the same day. To adjust the stock of such items lying in inventory at stock item creation alteration screen. At treat all purchases as consumed, set yes to treat the purchases as consumption and adjust the stock accordingly. This avoids the entry of consumption, else set no default and make entry of consumption as usual. Treatment of sales. Sometimes the goods bought or manufactured are sold immediately through numerous sales transactions. This is useful in case of manufacture of highly perishable goods like milk, bakery products, etc. In such case, the day's sale may be considered as production purchase. We cannot keep the item in stock as it will get spoiled. In such cases, production purchase can be practically considered as equal to sales. To adjust the stock of such items, at stock item creation alteration screen, treat all sales as new manufacture, set yes so that production purchase is automatically computed from sales and the stock is adjusted accordingly. This avoids the entry of production purchase or purchase. Otherwise, set no and make entry of production purchase as usual. Treatment of rejection. Some organizations have a policy not to take back sold goods unless there is some manufacturing defects. In such case, the returned goods are not included in regular stock. To treat returned goods as rejected items with no value, treat all rejection inward at zero value, set yes so that goods returned are not accounted in stock in hand, else set no to treat returned goods as normal stock item and included in stock in hand.